Hey YouTube, Grant Dunn here from OA Cheddar, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get over 250 online arbitrage sourcing leads for just 26 cents a piece. If you've been in the space for any length of time and you've studied what or researched what other lead list providers are offering, you're going to find that you're going to pay 75 cents to about $1.25 per lead, depending on the provider that you purchase from. So this is a really good deal for 2023. And I'm going to show you how OA is better with the cheddar. So why OA cheddar? We've been around since 2018. That's when we were established, March of 2018. We came out with our first lead list. Since then, we've scaled all the way up to 11 OA cheddar lead lists. We also have a feta list. We do a Q4 package every year with Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and just a whole bunch of leads. And we've been blessed. We've served hundreds of sellers. We currently serve probably 300 online arbitrage, Amazon FBA sellers currently, a lot of seven-figure sellers, including myself. I am probably, I don't know if I'm the only one, but we've heard stories of other sellers telling us that, I pretty much source from OA Cheddar exclusively. I personally, in my business, it's a very part-time operation with myself, my brother, and my cousin. I would say collectively, we invest less than 8 to 10 hours a day over the last 3 years or plus. 97 to 99% of our inventory has been exclusively online arbitrage and exclusively OA Cheddar. We do not source from any other lead list provider. We don't have a special team of virtual assistants that are sourcing leads specifically just for my business. I literally buy off of the exact same lead list that we deliver to our subscriber base. And we do, like I said, well over 1 million. That's why I say, it's pretty easy just to jump onto OA Cheddar, scale up to, well over 1 million a year if we really wanted to. And we weren't building OA Cheddar and building a software within our company and all of these other things that we've done over the years. We could easily be doing $2-3 million a year just using OA Cheddar leads. We don't even do a whole lot of rabbit trailing, but what we do is we do use the bulk of data that we have and coupled that with our software, which isn't what I'm going to be talking about in this video, but our Cheddar Soft software. And we do find that we are able to collect a lot of inventory from leads that have been delivered over the years. We have tens of thousands upon tens of thousands of leads. I think well over 100,000 leads over the last few years that we've delivered to our subscribers. And again, that I personally source off of. So that's a little bit about us. One of the things that OA Cheddar does very differently than our competitors is, while you will see on any given lead list, a lead will be delivered, an ASIN for, let's say, will be delivered to a lead list multiple times. I've actually, before OA Cheddar existed, I was on a few different online arbitrage lead lists, and I would find that sometimes the same lead would be delivered, 2 weeks, like 1 week, and then 2 weeks would go by, and then it'd be delivered again. And even worse yet, a couple days later, the same ASIN would be delivered again. So one of the rules that we have within our organization is no lead is ever shared again unless it's been at least 60 days since the last time it's been shared. So every 60 days, every single lead within a 60-day window is unique. That ASIN has only been shared once within a 60-day period. So not a ton of repeats, but what we do have is a team of virtual assistants designated to scraping our massive database of online arbitrage leads at OA Cheddar and pulling out replenishable leads that can be resold or delivered to our subscribers again and purchased again for a profit on Amazon. And so while a lot of lead list providers will offer you 6 or 7, maybe 8 leads a day, we're delivering often 10 top shelf leads and then an additional 4 replen leads. And so that can come to about 12, 13 leads a day on average with OA Cheddar. Just a couple of days ago, I took the 2022 data that we've been delivering and found that we have delivered about 278 leads per month per lead list. Most lead lists are 200 and below. OA Cheddar is delivering almost 300 leads per month per lead list. So at $149 a month, which is our normal retail price, that's 54 cents per lead. Now, this is what an average lead list will look like at OA Cheddar. There's about 10 leads on the top shelf list, and then an additional 4 leads as replen. So that's a total of 14 leads in a single day, right? That's like the double stuff lead list. Okay, OA Cheddar is like a double stuff lead list. Like I said, while other competitors are delivering seven to eight leads, we're delivering 12 to 14 leads per day. We do bring in some hazmat leads, and the reason why is we've had a lot of our subscribers tell us, or at least a handful of our subscribers tell us, like, hey, these hazmat leads are great for me. I do merchant fulfilling, or I'm approved to sell dangerous goods via fulfillment by Amazon, and they like the hazmat leads because that sets them apart from the rest of the competition. Most sellers don't want to mess around with hazmat leads, but those that do, those that do exercise that method, are zigging while everyone else is zagging, right? They find that there's a whole lot less competition on hazmat items than there is on other leads. Our minimum ROI standard is 40%. Our average is 70% or above. Our minimum net profit is $4, but our average is $10 or above. That's what we find as an average net profit for all the leads that we deliver across all of our lists. Now, let me talk to you about how you're going to get 50% off the $149 per month. So as I said, you're going to get at least 250 leads. You can expect probably closer to 270 leads in this first month, or any given month for that matter. So we're going to cross out the 149. You're going to be paying $74.50 for the first month of service on as many lead lists as you'd like to sign up for, right? That comes to 26 cents per lead for the first month of service at OH Header, happening right now, right? So this is action you can take. So what I'm going to show you now real quick is how to go to ohheader.com and get the coupon code. So here we are at ohheader.com. If you take your cursor and go to essentially act like you're going to exit the web page, this pop-up will pop up, and all you got to do is enter your name and your email, click submit, and that's going to take you to the confirmation page with your coupon code. So then you're going to copy this coupon code. So here it says, congrats, you're getting 50% off your first month. Use coupon code at checkout. And like I said earlier, you can use this coupon code on as many lead lists as you want. So then you're going to click the button below, and that's going to take you to our checkout page. Now, don't be confused. As of current, at the time of recording this video, we have OA Feta in here. I'm going to be breaking this out and putting it in its own section and having a clear differentiating bullet points that explain how Feta is different than the Cheddar lists. As you'll see here, OA Feta is a $99 per month list. Essentially has lower standards than the OA Cheddar lists. We do have a lot of new sellers that like the OA Feta list because there's a lot of leads on it. We deliver more leads on OA Feta actually than we do on our OA Cheddar list because we have a lot of leads that don't meet the OA Cheddar standard. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and check out a few of our Cheddar lists. So you can see here, checkout $596 per month would be the commitment for these 4 lead lists. And then I'm going to click here and go to checkout. Now I've already copied the coupon code to my clipboard. So when I get over here, I'm going to paste it in right here where it says add promotion code. I'm going to paste that right there, click apply. And you can see that has cut the price in half. And this is for the first month. So you can see 50% off for a month. Now, after that first month has transpired, you will be rebilled again for any of the subscriptions that you select, and they will be at the full $149 price. But in the meantime, take advantage of this 1 month half price offer where you can get leads for about 26 cents per lead. And so, yeah, like I said, you can do that on as many subscriptions as you like. You can also cancel anytime. So if you're one of those guys that just wants to take advantage of, or gals that wants to take advantage of this promotional offer, get a month of leads for half of the price that we normally charge, and you would like to cancel your subscription before the 30-day period has ran its course, or the 1 month period has ran its course, you're welcome to do that. We hope that you get on here for this promotional price. You're so happy with the leads that we're delivering and the abundance, really, of the leads that we deliver here at OH Header, and you want to stay on for months down the road. All of our OH Header lead lists have 55 sellers, but that's one of the ways that we're able to keep the cost down. You know, one of the things I will say about exclusivity when it comes to online arbitrage is just remember there's a lot of service providers out there, and there's a lot of online arbitrage sellers out there that are scraping the internet every day. We're all really fishing from the same pond. So just because you're only competing with, let's say, 30 sellers or 20 sellers on a lead list from one provider doesn't mean that OH Header didn't pick up that lead and deliver it to 55 sellers. So I think exclusivity in the online arbitrage space is kind of a pipe dream. Paying a premium for your leads doesn't necessarily mean that you're only competing with the other sellers on that lead list. Okay, so the less you pay per lead, the better. And that's why we come out with an offer where, you know, our leads are about 50 cents or less. And then with this particular 1 month offer, it's 25 cents, roughly 26 cents per lead. All right, so come take advantage, come to OH Header, give us your name and email, grab that coupon code, and come check out some leads. Get 50% off your first month. We look forward to serving you in the long-term future.